Clear basics, changing the way of learning. Please like, share and subscribe. Clear basics, changing the way of learning. Please like, share and subscribe.
Hello little friends, warm welcome to all of you from our very own YouTube channel Clear Basic, changing the way of learning. Clear Basic family will together be a part of your successful journey and will also help you to engage with all best possible contents in order to boost your performance. We all will accept a positive cooperation and response from your end.
So please like, share and subscribe our channel for our latest notification and updates.
Best wishes to all of you from our team Clear Basic. Friends, I hope you all are doing well in this corona outbreak. Wash your hands regularly and wear masks and maintain social distancing. Stay at home to protect yourself. So friends, without any further delay, let us start our session. Today we will cover the exercise part of the 9th chapter of Marigold, Mittu and the Yellow Mango. Friends, first we will learn about some new words and their meanings along with the examples of sentences. The first word is black. It is a color of coal or crow. It is the opposite of white. Now friends, let us take an example of sentence. The crow is black in color. Our next word is crow. Crow is a black color bird. It looks like this. Now friends, let us take an example of sentence. I like feeding a crow. Our next word is parrot. It is a green color bird with a red beak. Friends, look at this picture. A parrot look like this. Our next word is parrot. It is a green color bird with a red beak. Friends, look at this picture. A parrot look like this. Now let us take an example of sentence. A parrot is sitting on the branch of a tree. Now let us move on to our next word. Our next word is mango. It is a type of fruit and it is sweet in taste when it is ripe. It is yellow in color, so it is known as the king of fruits. It looks like this. Now friends, let us take an example of sentence. I like to eat mango. Friends, if you have not seen our previous videos, then click on the I button on the top of the screen to check out the best to best contents. Now friends, let us move on to our next slide. Now friends, let us solve the questions. Friends, let us solve the questions. Our first question is, what did Mittu see on the tree? Friends, you can take help from this picture. The answer of this question is, Mittu saw a big yellow mango on the tree. Our next question is, what did the big black crow say? Friends, let us try to remember the answer. The answer is, the big black crow said, caw, caw, go away. This is my tree. Now let us move on to our next question. Friends, can you tell me, what did the Mittu see under the tree? Look at the picture. Mittu saw a red balloon under the tree. Our next question is, do you like eating mangoes? Friends, take your time and comment your answer below. The answer is yes, I like eating mangoes because mango is my favorite fruit. Our next question is, do you like green mangoes and why? My answer is no, I do not like green mangoes because they are sour in taste. And our last question is, do you like ripe yellow mangoes and why? Friends, Comment your answer below. My answer is yes, I like yellow mangoes because they are sweet in taste. Friends, I will provide you more examples quiz on our FB and Telegram groups. So don't forget to join our FB and Telegram groups. Link is in the description box below. Now friends, let us move on to our next slide. Friends, here you have to help me by matching the fruits and vegetables with their corresponding trees. Our first fruit is banana. Friends, can you tell me where is the banana tree? Yes, you are correct. Here is the banana tree. Now friends, let me draw a line joining the banana to the banana tree. Our next fruit is coconut. So let us find a coconut tree. Here is the coconut tree. So let me draw a line joining the coconut to the coconut tree. Our next fruit is apple. We need to eat an apple every day. An apple grows on an apple tree. So let me draw a line joining the apple with the apple tree. Our next fruit is a bunch of grapes. So friends, where is the grapevine? Yes, you are right. Here is the grapevine. So let us match. And our last fruit is mango. Mango grows on mango tree. So let us match the mango with the mango tree. Friends, I hope this is clear to you now. Let us move on to our next slide. Now friends, it's time to discuss the answer of the previous day's surprise question. Check your answer friends. The answer of the previous day's question is moon. Friends, look at the picture. It is round in shape and we can see the moon in the sky at night. Friends, I hope you all have answered it correctly. Now guys, it's time to reveal today's surprise. Let us come to the question of the day. The surprise is, guess who am I? Friends, listen very carefully. I am king of fruits. I am yellow when I am ripe. Friends, comment your answer below. In my next video, I will discuss the answer with you. Thank you guys for your love and support. We hope you all will be with us in this journey. Then we can definitely accomplish our mission. See you in my next video. Till then, stay tuned with us to get the latest updates of our upcoming videos, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.
Thank you all for this session. If you want to be updated with the notifications, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon.